Hello, I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to use Blackboard Collaborate. I'm actually using Zoom to teach you how to use Blackboard Collaborate, and this is just a very quick video. There's more extensive ones out on Blackboard, but I thought I would go ahead and just show you very quickly how easy it is to use either one. So I'm using Zoom, but there has limitations to Zoom, how many participants and how long I can be on. Also, I'm going to have to turn off the video so I can use the video in Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. So anyways, so what you really want to do is get into Blackboard, and I'm going to go ahead and turn off the video so we can do that. And let me do that. And I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So now you can see that I am in our Blackboard shell. And I wanted to show you how easy it is to really create a session in Blackboard Collaborate. So once you get into your Blackboard course, what you want to do is look on the left-hand side, and if you go to Course Management and Control Panel, you'll see it like this. But over here on the left-hand side, when you click Control Panel and you click Control Course Tools, what you'll find is Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, and that's the one you want to click on, and that will take you to this session room, and you'll see it says Sessions right here and Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. So just to create a session or a room, so creating a session is like opening a door. I'm going to open a door to a classroom. So in order to do that, I just need to create a session, and I can name this session. I call it my How to Collaborate video. And then I just give it the details. It's going to start now. So here's the date and time. It automatically does that, but you can change that. When guests come in, what are they? Are they presenter, moderator, participant? If you're using it for students, they would be a participant. And then here's the link that you can send them. And they would be able to then click that link and come into your session. Also, are you going to repeat? Those kind of things you can set up by clicking these boxes. And do you allow people to come in before the scheduled time to start? And that's up to you. You can do whatever you want. And then I can provide a description of what I'm going to be doing in this video, and that is teaching Blackboard Collaborate. And then you can, again, just tell them what the discussion is, or if it's a lecture, if it's open office hours, whatever you want, you can have it there. And then just click Save. So now you'll see, here's the one I just created. And when I go back into it, it will ask me if I want to join a session. And so I can join a session right here. And because I turned off my video in Zoom, I can turn on my video here. There I am, and I can share this video so people can see me. And audio, you can see the little microphone down here is moving, so people are hearing me. And if I want to tell people I'm away, if I'm doing office hours and I'm away for a minute, or I'm leaving the session, I can say I'm happy, I'm surprised. So these are things as I'm doing a lecture or something that participants can agree, disagree, those kind of things. Also, they can raise their hand, and that way you know that somebody has a question. And if you look over here, so I can click out of that. If you look over here, this little panel, this little tab, if you click that, here's where we can use the chat. There's also a private chat that you can do. So this is Blackboard Collaborate. If you look up here on the left-hand side menu, there are Tell Me About Collaborate tutorials, more help. You can report an issue, you can record your Blackboard Collaborate sessions, and so on. So that's that tab. And that's all there is to it. When you're done, you just simply end the session. I generally turn off my video first before I end the session, but otherwise, that's really it. You can share content down here. You can, again, chat. You can see how many people are attending. Right now, it's just me. Again, some additional settings if you want You can notify people when people come in or out, that kind of thing. So that is it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me, and I can help you in any way I can. And thanks again. I will have a link here for you shortly, and I will send that out via email. Take care.